so cool at this school. AAA State of Play can do playgrounds, small and simple, and we can go really big, and with all kinds of cool play equipment like this. Let's take a tour of this great school playground from above and at ground level, and from one end to the other. Little Alfalfa is that perfect starting point, geared for kids as young as 2 years on up. Craggy climbers shout, "Come on up!" Hand and footholds make what look to be the impossible possible. Perfect upper body, lower body, core strength training. Let's move on over to the sit and spin. You sit,
go,
and you spin and win. Round and round she goes. Next adventure is Pikes Peak. It's a balancing, climbing, and swinging wonderland. There are so many ways to get your climb on, made for all ages and levels of challenge. Twists and turns, loops and bars to explore, experiment, and safely test your limits. Even the youngest ones, with a little help. Now take a spin on over to the Starship Orbiter, both spinner and climber, all in one, and one for all. This is a real kid magnet.
you're fine.
Thanks to the great safety surfacing here. This playground has two kinds of surfacing, poured-in-place rubber and artificial turf. Both very different, both long-lasting, low maintenance, and both are great looking. Let's move on over to the overhead spinner, a standalone piece of play equipment. The goal is for kids to twist and turn using their own momentum, swinging from one side to the other, and as they get better at it, move on to the next ring. Finally, this end of the playground incorporates some of the best of nature into a safe and imaginative play area loaded with stuff. Climbing boulders are made of high-strength glass fiber reinforced concrete. Durable and realistic, they weigh pounds, not tons. There's more reward at the top of the hill. Oh yeah, we made this hill too. This is how it all started. Here's another way to go downhill, an embankment slide that brings you back down to earth. Use any sliding style you want. It's all good, with a safe landing. More natural play awaits below, with smaller rocks for climbing and hopping. And they lead to another big boulder that helps to anchor a spiderweb net climber. It is amazing how much fun and exercise is spread out on this playground. There is enough room and energy here that will have kids doing backflips and spins. Maybe even somersaults. There's plenty of play here. Plenty for another day, another week, or for years to come from AAA State of Play.